You're about to learn how to use proper footwork to not only utilize your offense, but also how to be better on defense. We're gonna give you some drills and tips that you can use, not only in your fights, but also in sparring to make you that much more better than your opponents. We know that you're gonna enjoy this video. Watch from the beginning to the end and take in all the sauce that you can. And if you got any comments or concerns, hit us in the comment section and we'll get back with you. Here we go. We always like to start you off with the proverbial center line. That's why we're gonna put this hand wrap out for you. This is going to teach you how to walk forward and backwards, but maintain that balance to make you that much more better. So follow along, gang. He's in his perfect stance. He's going to step forward and backward. When you step backwards in Muay Thai, you're going to push off with the front foot and lead with the back foot. It's not really too much boxing style movement. You definitely don't want to put your head down. It's not an MMA style. No. We want to have a square stance. We like to use counterattacks. To use those counterattacks, you still have to be in range. You can't throw a jab and I'm all the way back here. I can't counterattack from here. If he were to jab, this is what we mean when we say Muay Thai footwork. It's those minute steps. He jab, bang. You see, I barely step back. I'm leading with my back foot. I blocked, and I can counterattack. One more time. He pop, look, pop, and then I wham. I can counterattack because I'm not hopping around 50 feet, but I'm still within safe range because I'm protecting with my long guard, and I'm protecting my area, protecting my bubble. That's what this footwork drill is going to teach you. First things first, hands up, shoulder width apart in our Muay Thai stance. We're going to step backwards. When you step backwards, doing Muay Thai footwork, you're going to push off with the front foot and you're going to lead with the back foot. Lead means go first, right? You're pushing off with the front, but you're leading with the back. And when you do this, gang, I want you to go toe, heel. That's very important. When you push backwards, I want toe, heel, step backwards. There we go. Again, step backwards. So now the line is in the middle, but he still can block, right? Bam. He's still safe. He has a good range. Can you kick from there? Bam. Yeah. Step back. Step forward. Bam. When you're stepping forward, it's heel to toe. You're pushing off with the back leg, but you're leading with the front leg. And it's heel, toe. Not toe, heel. Heel, toe. What you got to pick? Step, 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 He's not stepping forward and his feet is parallel. He's not walking like a zombie. No, he's being methodical, just like a snake. Mom, come on. Bop, And if I kick, see, he's already ready. He can block. Not only can he block, he can attack, right? Very good. So that's how you're going to step forward and backwards in Muay Thai. That's how you step forward and backwards. Square stance, pushing off with the rear leg to go forward, heel, toe. When you're stepping backwards, you're pushing off with the front leg to go backwards, toe, heel. Let's keep it moving. You've just gotten the basics of how to walk forward and backwards. Walking side to side can be a little bit more difficult, but this is a great way to learn how to do it, so that way you can advance in it a little bit more faster. We always talk about the proverbial center line. This time is no different. When you do this drill at home, you're gonna walk to the right and to the left of the line. You're gonna push off with the right foot and lead with the left foot. Step left, step, step. Step. Step right now. It's the opposite. You're pushing off with the left and you're leading with the right. Step. Step. Go. Step. Seems simple enough. But when you start this drill, you'll notice that the line will start here. And by the time you finish, your foot is right here because you're not used to it. If you keep going, now you're parallel. When you want to start this drill off, you want to start out very slow and methodical. Visualize your opponent in front of you and you step left. Step. Visualize. Step left. You don't want to look down. Make sure that you're looking at your invisible opponent's waist. I see him. Step left, step. Then you go to rhythm, move again, relax. Step left, step. Then you switch and step right. Remember, push, step, step right. Bang, make it nice and natural. Step right, bang. When you get to the end, sometimes you can examine yourselves. Am I balanced enough? Can I tee from here? Can I jab cross? Can I lean back? Can I block without having to adjust my feet? That's how you're going to test yourselves. Step left. Foot is here now. I'm on the line. I can't lean. If he were to teep, I can't block the teep. No. So you always want to make sure that that line's in the middle. I always want to make sure that you're leading with the opposite side that you're pushing to. This is the opposite side. I'm pushing that way. Step left. Bop. And then as you get better, you gradually speed it up. Once you start walking forth and back and you get it a little bit better, you're going to start shuffling right to left. All right. This isn't easy by all means. Shuffle. You step, step, step. Then you shuffle this way. Step, step, step. Block. thang, thang, examine yourself. Step, step, play with it. Teep, teep. What you're doing is shadow boxing, but you're only stepping right to left. And you're gonna examine yourself. So Tito, let's try to examine you. Let me get you to step right and left, and then I'm just gonna say stop. I don't want you to move your feet at all, and we're gonna see how balanced you are. Can we try that?
Yes.
Let's do that. Stop. Can you block from here? Pop. Block. Good. He didn't even adjust his feet. Keep going. Stop. Bang. Bang. Good. Good. Bang. Jab. Bang. Shuffle. There we go. Jab. Chop. Shuffle. Line in the middle. Cross. Pop. Block. Bang. Very nice. Now we want you guys to observe the movement of forth and back, but also you're gonna take slight angles when you're doing your footwork. I want you to examine Tito's footwork, and I want you to implement these strategies in your own Muay Thai sparring, shadow boxing, in your fights. Here we go. The game of Muay Thai is very basic. I step forward, he step back, Bob. And then sometimes he turns. Turns, very nice. Let's see that turn one more time, but I want you to slow it down. I'm walking forward, he uses his lead hand, and watch how he pushes and turns. Again, turn. That's it. I can't kick his legs. I can't attack him from here. He can block. Can you kick me from here? Wham! Yes. How do I know that he can kick me from that range? Because he touched with his lead hand. He can always attack from here. So he turned, pop, he's in the range. That's perfect range. So I don't want you to forget that. Don't let people just run you down and you only back straight in the line. When you feel too much pressure, keep the right hand pinned to your head, and I want you to lead with this strong hand. Wham! I'm backing up, backing up. Wham! Look at this room. But I was strong with my lead hand. It's kind of like a matador. You're the matador and they're the bull. So let's do it one more time. There you go. There we go. Good. Good quarter turn. Again. Bop. Bop. Good. Back. 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 Step. Good. Quarter turn again. Bop. Quarter. Quarter turn. There we go. I'm a little too close. Give me a quarter turn. Every time he quarter turns, every time you quarter turn, you're gonna make sure that your belly button is facing your opponent. If the belly button isn't facing your opponent, then it's gonna be leg kick central. So every time I step, bam, my belly button is here. If he step to this side, bop, he come forward, I quarter turn. Look, my belly button is facing him the whole time. Push back, I step is right there. So that's what you have to do. Make sure that that belly button is squared. That's gonna allow you to block the leg kicks. That's gonna allow you to block the body kicks. It actually makes the kicks a little bit faster because you have a square stance and that foot is already open. That's part of footwork. You're doing a fast kick, you don't wanna just have it here bladed, because how can I open up the hip so fast? This is a game of milliseconds. If me and you are here and you want a right kick and I want a right kick, who do you think is gonna get here faster?
Me.
Why?
I'm already open.
His hip is already open. So let's try it. Let's try that theory out. On a count of 3, quick draw. 1, 2, 3. He got there first. He got there first because his hip was already open. That's the advantage of having a square stance and keeping the belly button faced towards your opponent. So a quick drill that we want you to use at home to improve your Muay Thai footwork is the 2-line drill. All you have to do is put out 2 hand wraps and you're gonna put them in the middle just like we showed you earlier in the video. And from there, all you do is just freestyle with your shadow box and you freestyle with your stepping. But make sure that you implement those strategies. You're gonna push off with the right going left, push off with the left going right, heel toe, toe heel, and everything in between. Give them a few seconds of it, Tito. Add in your circling, add in your stepping back, good. Add in your movement. Don't forget to put the hand out when you turn. There we go. You're gonna put that hand out when you turn. Throw a couple of shots, bang, bang, stepping back, retreating, shuffling, all that good stuff. Bop, make sure that the line is in the middle every single time. Block, good. Bop, bop, what about leaning? Bop, lean, there you go. Good, good, good footwork, good footwork, good footwork, good footwork. You wanna always step into the shots. This isn't realistic, okay, man? If we're fighting, I'm not gonna say, jab, cross. No, I'm trying to hurt him just like he's trying to hurt me. So I, boom, boom, step into it. This line drill, you're gonna do the same thing. How do we jab from here? From jab, jab. We go back, right? Again, jab, then we go back. Again, bop, then we go back. When you do your cross, jab, cross, how do you do? Bang, bang. Good. He's not in the same quadrant of lines. Back. Again. So you're going to bop, bang, good. Every time you jab, change quadrants. Every time you cross, step into it. Step back. If you put them together, thum, thum. Good. Step, step, turn, turn. Good. Knee, this is proper Muay Thai footwork, all right, at its finest. That's a quick snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Workouts program. To tap in, all you have to do is click the link in the description or the pinned comment. And click that shop link to check out all of the KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear. If you want to watch more of the KMA Muay Thai drills and workouts, all you have to do is click this video right here and enjoy our full playlist. We know that you're going to find it extremely valuable.